is already asking herself, what is this thing for? Somebody is already asking herself, what is this thing Maram is holding? Yes, guys, this is a footwear. It's a footwear. Despite I am not in Europe or United States or where UK or in some of the Asian country, I am in Africa. I know I'm in Africa, but I still need it in my house. Go and buy it because you really need this during Hamatan to avoid your toe being rough, rugged. I don't know what to say. To avoid your toe crack, rugged, being rough, harsh. Oh my God. Instead of being smooth and soft, you are gathering all those things because of the Hamatan. We know that Hamatan is a season that some of us don't like, especially when you are a dry skin person. So you need this footwear. You need it a lot. You need it a lot. You also need socks. Yes, you need socks. As I told you earlier on, even if you are not in Europe, take care of yourself. Take good care of yourself so that when you sleep in the bed, your bed will not be fighting with your leg. You know, when your leg is rough, and you are trying to drag the bed sheet, have you ever done that before? Or have you experienced that before? I think I did. I have stayed for some months. I didn't do pedicure. So my foot is always been rough on my bed. I always feel the roughness. Yes, I always feel it. So try to have socks so that you can avoid all those skin damage. Yes. And then have your footwear in the house. This is a bedroom footwear. It's a bedroom footwear. You need to safeguard this bedroom footwear. It can be any type, but definitely you need it, and you need it. I remember back then in school, I loved wearing socks so much because my uniform was short, so I liked wearing it. It's a very nice color. And you also need foot cream. This particular foot cream, I'm also going to do a review on this. It's one of the foot cream I have been using for so long. It is intensive treatment. This foot cream is super amazing for special concern. When you have crack or your leg down there is rough and you are not a person who normally go for pedicure all the time, you can be using this product and the problem of dry skin is going off from you. So this step up level is a Neostrata product. I know it's one of the brands I have been using for long, especially for my foot. It's very good. And then I'm going to read the content here. This is saying that this rich cream contains a high concentration of alpha hydrox. Yes, it's also for an exfoliate severally. It's good for rough foot, dry foot. You can also apply it on your elbow. You can apply it on your knees. You can also apply it under your armpit if you want, because it reduces darkness. Basically, it's there to get rid of the roughness or the harshness of your foot. So you can apply twice in a day, or you apply it once in a day. That is when you're going to bed. But I apply it in the morning when I'm going to work, and then when I come back, I take my shower. That evening, I do apply it and wear my socks. So that is how it's really working for me. So literally, the other thing you can do is be visiting the salon to be doing pedicure. Pedicure is something that I have started, I think probably 6 years back, but I don't really like it anymore. I don't really know why I did start it, because when you don't do pedicure for 1 month, you will see that your leg is somehow. And if you stay off pedicure, there are people who normally sweat, like people who do sweat under their foot. They don't really need pedicure because that place is always moist, so they don't really need it. But for someone like me, you hardly see me sweating. Even if when I go to the gym, they will be asking me, are you really working out? Because I won't be sweating. You don't see my sweat coming, like dropping like any other person. My sweat is always inside my system. I always feel it inside. So if you are the kind of person who doesn't sweat, your legs can be cracked at any time, any day, any moment, because that place is not always moist. So you have to be following up this kind of tips so that it can help you out. Don't go to bed without wearing your socks. Don't be in the room working on the thighs without wearing your footwears. Yes, be wearing it all the time, be wearing it. Basically, I think that's what we made. And this, I'm just gonna demonstrate to you how you normally apply it. Like now, I can't raise my leg up, but I'm gonna tell you that you just take small quantity and then just rub it under your foot and then start rubbing it gently, and that's it. You are good to go. You can wear your footwear wherever you are in the kitchen. You can wear it. You might be having two, one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen, but I personally use this for the bathroom, so it's always in the bathroom. This is very clean because I wash it. It's very clean. It's not dirty, so that somebody will not tell me, Mara, you bring in your bathroom slippers here. Hey boo, I'm just trying to demonstrate for you. Don't mind me, okay? I'm not really serious. Okay, so that's it, and I hope that you guys will follow these tips, and it's going to help you more on taking good care of your foot so that it won't crack, it won't be rough, it won't be rugged. I don't know why I'm even using this word rugged. I'm not gonna edit this video, so that word rugged is gonna be here. It's gonna be here. Dark skin girl. Hey. I'm a proud African. Yay. I'm a proud African. No snow, no cold in Africa, but we have winter. Hey. Ciao. See you guys in another video. Bye.